Think Europe is expensive in 2025? Think again. Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, offers an affordable yet enriching experience for solo travelers. Imagine wandering through a city where ancient history meets modern vibrancy. Georgia is the most underrated solo travel destination this year. From the stunning Narikala fortress that overlooks the city, to the bustling streets filled with charming cafes and shops, Tbilisi has something for everyone. Picture yourself exploring traditional Georgian markets, tasting local delicacies and meeting friendly locals who are eager to share their culture. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or a foodie, Tbilisi promises a magical experience that won't break the bank. Beyond the city, Georgia's diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for adventure. Hike through the breathtaking Caucasus Mountains, explore ancient monasteries, or enjoy a wine tasting in the Kakheti region, known for its rich winemaking tradition. Safety is another reason why Georgia stands out. The country is known for its low crime rates and welcoming atmosphere, making it an ideal destination for solo travelers. Plus, the efficient public transport system makes it easy to get around. Don't miss out on the vibrant cultural scene. From traditional dance performances to lively local festivals, there's always something happening in Tbilisi. And when the sun sets, the city's nightlife offers a mix of cozy wine bars and energetic clubs. So, if you're looking for a destination that combines affordability, safety, and a rich cultural experience, Tbilisi, Georgia should be at the top of your list for 2025. While Tbilisi beckons with its modern charm, its rich history and culture are the true soul of the city. Founded in the 5th century, Tbilisi has been a crossroads of civilizations, where east meets west. Imagine walking through the cobblestone streets of the old town, where every corner tells a story. The city's architecture is a testament to its diverse past, blending Persian, Soviet, and European influences. The Sioni Cathedral, with its ancient frescoes and religious relics, offers a glimpse into Georgia's deep-rooted Christian heritage. Not far away, the Anchiskati Basilica, the oldest church in Tbilisi, stands as a serene reminder of the city's enduring faith. The Narikala fortress, perched on a hill, offers panoramic views of the city and a journey back to the 4th century. The Meteki Church, overlooking the Mutkvari River, stands as a symbol of Tbilisi's resilience and faith. The Georgian National Museum houses artifacts that narrate the country's storied past, from ancient gold treasures to Soviet-era relics. And let's not forget the Georgian Supra, a feast that is as much about community and tradition as it is about food. Picture yourself at a long table surrounded by new friends, toasting with homemade wine and savoring dishes like khachapuri and khinkali. Tbilisi's rich history and vibrant culture create a tapestry of experiences that will leave you enchanted and eager for more. So, as you plan your solo adventure, remember that Tbilisi is not just a destination, it's a journey through time and tradition. As your journey through Tbilisi continues, prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable culinary adventure. Georgian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, reflecting the country's diverse history and rich traditions. Let's start with khachapuri, the iconic, cheese-filled bread that comes in various regional styles, each more delicious than the last. Imagine biting into its warm, gooey center, the perfect comfort food to fuel your exploration. You can find some of the best khachapuri at local bakeries and cozy cafes scattered throughout the city. Next, there's khinkali, the beloved Georgian dumplings. These juicy, meat-filled pockets are a must-try, especially when enjoyed with a sprinkle of black pepper and a sip of local wine. Head to traditional restaurants like Zakar Zakarich for an authentic experience. Speaking of wine, Georgia is one of the oldest wine-producing regions in the world. The traditional Kvivri wine, fermented in clay vessels, offers a unique and ancient taste of Georgian viticulture. Visit local wineries or wine bars like Vino Underground to sample these exquisite wines. Don't miss the chance to savor Badrijani Nigvzit, eggplant rolls filled with a rich walnut paste, and pakali, a colorful array of vegetable and walnut spreads that burst with flavor. These dishes are often found at local markets and traditional eateries. And for the sweet-toothed travelers, churchkela is a treat you can't miss. Often called the Georgian Snickers, this candy made from grape must, nuts and flour is both delicious and nutritious. You can find it at street markets and local shops. Dining in Tbilisi is more than just a meal, it's an experience. The hospitality of the locals, the warmth of their toasts, and the communal spirit of the Georgian Supra make every meal memorable. Join a Supra feast to truly immerse yourself in the local culture. So, as you wander through Tbilisi's streets, let your senses guide you to the nearest feast. Taste the history, savor the culture, and make every bite a part of your solo travel story in this enchanting city. As you continue your journey through Tbilisi, it's time to step outside and immerse yourself in the breathtaking natural beauty and thrilling outdoor adventures this city has to offer. Tbilisi's unique landscape, where ancient history meets modern vibrancy, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Begin your exploration at the Narikala Fortress. This ancient stronghold offers panoramic views of the city, the winding Kura River, and the lush hillsides. Imagine standing atop the fortress, the breeze in your hair as you take in the stunning vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. For those who crave a bit more adventure, head to Matatsminda Park. Perched on the slopes of Mount Matatsminda, this amusement park is not just for thrill rides. Take a ride on the funicular railway and enjoy the scenic journey up the mountain. Once at the top, the views of Tbilisi from the observation deck are simply awe-inspiring. Nature enthusiasts will find solace in the Tbilisi National Park, a short drive from the city center. Here you can hike through verdant forests, discover hidden waterfalls, and perhaps even spot some of Georgia's diverse wildlife. The park's serene environment is perfect for a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle. If you're looking for a unique outdoor experience, visit the Tbilisi Sea, a large artificial lake on the outskirts of the city. Whether you choose to relax on its shores, take a refreshing dip, or engage in water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding, the Tbilisi Sea is a refreshing escape. Don't forget to explore the Georgian countryside with a day trip to the nearby Kazbegi National Park. The journey to this mountainous region is an adventure in itself, with winding roads that offer dramatic views of the Caucasus Mountains. Once there, you can hike to the iconic Gergely Trinity Church, perched high above the village of Stepantsminda, offering an unparalleled view of Mount Kazbek. Georgia's landscapes are not just about visual splendor, they invite you to engage, explore, and experience the natural world in ways that will leave you with lifelong memories. So, pack your backpack, lace up your hiking boots, and let Georgia's great outdoors be the next chapter in your solo travel adventure.